So whether you're using it to control dynamics or as an effect, I'm going to show you today how to use sidechain compression inside of Logic Pro X. Hi, my name's Tyson. I'm a mastering engineer here at Dinosaur Dog Mastering. Today, we're going to be diving into sidechain compression. Before I do though, I want to give to you something for free for watching this video. In the link down below in the description or on the first comment, you can get a free course. I call it the Pro Mix Formula, and it is me mixing the song that I use in this tutorial from start to finish, including mastering. So you can watch the entire thing, and I explain every single step along the way so you can learn how to mix your songs like a pro. Don't forget to click the link down below, and without any further ado, let's dive into the rest of the video, which will be covering how to sidechain compress inside of Logic Pro. And this has a lot of different applications if you want to. Times I will reach for sidechain compression if I have a really thick vocal effect on, such as a delay or something else. In this case, I have a lot of vocals happening in this last chorus, so I want to be able to duck the supporting vocals down just a little bit when the lead vocal comes in, but have them come back up when the lead vocal is out so that they can kind of fill up the mix. So it's a very helpful technique in certain situations. Most commonly, you'll hear it between the bass and the drums, and you'll want to sidechain the bass to the kick so that the bass ducks out every single time the kick actually hits. I don't actually like using that technique unless I'm going for the actual effect of the pumping bass. Generally, I will actually just EQ that relationship correctly so I can hear both equally inside of the mix and balance those well. But that being said, to warn you away from that, let's actually dive into how to sidechain your compressor use sidechain compression inside of Logic Pro X. So your first step is to actually add a compressor on the track that you want to reduce volume on whenever the other one comes in. So I'm gonna add my compressor to my chorus second Vox 1. Then I'm going to set up my compressor like I normally would. Let's just do 3 decibels. Let's do a relatively fast attack. Everything else looks good. The key to sidechain is use this sidechain function up here. The internal sidechain right here, you can use this to avoid listening to certain frequencies, but that's not what we're covering here. We want to sidechain to another track. That sidechain function is up here in the right-hand corner. You want to hit, instead of internal, which is the individual track that you're already on, you want to go to audio or bus, depending if it's a bus you want to reduce off of. Basically, this is going to be the trigger to tell this compressor when to reduce volume. So I'm gonna go to audio, and then I wanna find my lead vocal, which is lead Vox 2. Let's go to lead Vox 2 right there. Play this and set up our compressor. I'm looking for, let's say, 2 decibels of gain reduction, because that'll get this vocal out of the way, but it won't disappear completely inside of the mix. Okay, so that is looking great. I'm getting about 3 decibels gain reduction. I think that's about good for this. It's more obvious and it really gets those vocals out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this across to the other tracks here that I have going on, because there's a lot of tracks here. They're all being sidechained to this lead vocal too. So whenever this is in, right, everything's gonna be ducked down, but it just creates some more room in the mix for that lead vocal. So I could go in there and actually automate down the volume on all of these whenever the lead vocal is in, but obviously this is a way easier method. So here is the entire mix overall with the sidechain enabled on all the tracks. I hope this was super helpful in learning how to use sidechain compression. If you liked this tutorial and you want to learn how to mix like a pro, I am offering my course Pro Mix Formula for free. You can get that in the description of the video, or you can go down to the first comment and there should be a pinned comment with the link as well to get that course completely for free. You get to watch me mix this song from start to finish all the way from just throwing the tracks inside of the mix to actually mastering the song inside of that course. And again, it is my free gift to you to just help you mix at a pro level. Please take it, please engage with it, and get awesome results from it. I've included these multi-tracks also, so even if you just want to practice mixing and you want some multi-tracks to mix with, these are some high quality multi-tracks you can download and mix for yourself. Okay, with that said, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.